Welcome back to the channel, Python Beginners. Today, we're building a fun and simple AI project that anyone can follow, even if you've only written a few lines of Python. By the end of this video, you'll have your own mini AI assistant that responds to your questions using basic logic and keyword detection. No complicated libraries, no confusing setup, just pure beginner-friendly Python. Let's start with the idea. We're going to create a tiny AI chatbot that can answer simple questions like, "What's your name? How are you?" or "Tell me a joke." This project teaches you the core building blocks of AI logic: input, processing, and output. These are the same concepts used in larger AI systems, just scaled down so beginners can understand them clearly. First, we'll ask the user for a question using the input function. Then, we'll analyze what they typed by checking for keywords. For example, if the user types anything containing the word name, our AI will respond with a friendly introduction. If the user types joke, we'll have the AI tell a simple joke. And if the AI doesn't understand the question, it will reply with a default message. This teaches you how AI systems handle unknown or unexpected input. Next, we'll build a small set of responses. You can think of these as the AI's personality. Beginners often underestimate how powerful simple conditional logic can be. With just a few if statements, you can create the foundation of an intelligent system. And once you understand this structure, you can expand it into more advanced projects like sentiment analysis, chatbots, or even small recommendation engines. Now, let's talk about why this project matters. When you're new to Python, it's easy to get stuck on syntax or feel overwhelmed by big AI concepts. But building a tiny AI assistant helps you understand how real AI works behind the scenes. You learn how computers interpret text, how they make decisions, and how they generate responses. These skills are essential if you want to move into machine learning or AI development later on. As you follow along, feel free to customize your AI. Add more responses, change the personality, or expand the keyword list. The more you experiment, the faster you'll grow your Python confidence. And remember, every advanced programmer started with simple projects just like this one. If you want free beginner resources to help you learn faster, visit pythonskillbooks.com. You'll find cheat sheets, quick tips, sample code, and beginner-friendly guides that make learning Python easier and more fun. These resources are completely free and designed specifically for new programmers. Stick around, keep practicing, and keep building. You're learning real skills that will take you far. Now let's jump into the code and create your first AI assistant. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Python beginner videos.